People go wrong, people go do you bad, but still love them. Cause the good book talk 72 times 7. Forgive. People go always do you wrong. Talk your name, make you feel small. But if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know. But peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You don't love the Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. Oh, how many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true.
When love is true. Forgive.
Love your neighbor like say now you. Give respect, make your heart stay true. Forgiveness, know me, you weak. Now strength for those who know retreat. Sometimes the wound go deep. You cry, you pay, you know feel sleep. But if you let God take control, joy go feel your heart and soul.
Yes, my brother, my sister, forgiveness no easy.
But if you hold on to anger, you just change your whole spirit and go. Love your neighbor like say you love yourself.
Love you.
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love they true. When love they true. Forgiveness go free your heart.
Love go heal your wound.
No revenge, run away.
Just peace, just grace.
Cause if you love God,
you must love man.
70 times 70. Baba cases. Yeah, Baba K again. People go wrong, people go do you bad, but still love them. Cause the good book talk 72 times 7. Forgive. People go always do you wrong. Talk your name, make you feel small. But if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know. But peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You don't love the Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. Oh, how many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true.
When love is true. Forgive.
Love your neighbor like say now you. Give respect, make your heart stay true. Forgiveness, know me, you weak. Now strength for those who know retreat. Sometimes the wound go deep. You cry, you pay, you know feel sleep. But if you let God take control, joy go feel your heart and soul.
Yes, my brother, Forgiveness no easy.
But if you hold on to anger, you just change your whole spirit and go. Love your neighbor like say you love yourself.
Love you, love you.
How many times I go forgive you?
How many times I go forgive you?
How many times I go let it live?
How many times I go let it live?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive you?
How many times I go forgive you?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love they true. When love they true. Forgiveness go free your heart.
Love go heal your wound.
No revenge, run away.
Just peace, just grace.
Cause if you love God,
you must love man.
70 times 70. Baba cases.
Forgive. Forgive. Forgive.
Now, yeah, Baba K again. People go wrong, people go do you bad, but still love them. Cause the good book talk 72 times 7. Forgive. Forgive. People go always do you wrong. Talk your name make you feel small. But if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know. But peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You don't love the Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true.
When love is true. Forgive, forgive, forgive.
Love your neighbor like say now you. Give respect, make your heart stay true. Forgiveness, know me, you weak. Now strength for those who know retreat. Sometimes the wound go deep. You cry, you pay, you know feel sleep. But if you let God take control, joy go fill your heart and soul.
Yes, my brother, my sister, forgiveness no easy.
But if you hold on to anger, you just change your whole spirit and go. Love your neighbor like say you love yourself.
Love you, love you.
How many times I go forgive you?
Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? Let's see what we got here. All right. Zoom, can you guys hear me well? Those of you on YouTube, yeah, you guys still cannot see me. My camera battery is freaking out, so I'm waiting to freaking get another one from Amazon. Unfortunately. So it's either I stream. It's either I don't stream because my camera isn't working, I stream without it. So I choose to stream without it for now. All right. So we are going to talk about gold now real quick. Asia session, we took a sell. That was nice. Now, New York session. So if we go to a 1 hour time frame here, of course, we can all see is right there in our face. Uh, since we created this swing high, which is pretty much a thing. Where is Asia session high? I must have deleted that. So this is okay. Yesterday's New York session high, right? Since we created that high, we've pretty much been falling. We have a minor break of structure here. However, price came all the way down to what? To the previous weekly candle low, right? We came to a previous weekly candle low, which is a very strong zone. Now we came all the way down there and we grabbed it on the 1 hour time frame. Price failed to close below it, right? Now we are going to leave this here. So we created a support there. Now let's go to the 15-minute time frame here. Now we have the same thing on the 15-minute. Price grab liquidity below the weekly candle low. Now there is a very, very strong chance that we could continue higher from here. However, looking at this on the 15-minute, what we pretty much need to wait for now is okay, we have this liquidity grab during pretty much pre New York, right? Now, New York session, we could get another liquidity grab, or we might not. We might just continue to the upside with this pre New York liquidity grab that we have. Our price might actually end up breaking that low. But for now, my bias is going to be bullish until market shows otherwise. But for now, my bias is going to be bullish. Now, what do we need to do here? So we have our bias for now, which is bullish. We had a previous liquidity grab, which is below this previous weekly candle low. Now, what we need now, it's an MSS. That MSS pretty much means market structure shift. That's what we need, because here prices, we're falling, we're breaking lows. Prices not creating higher highs and higher lows. So we need to wait for a possible MSS, market structure shift, which is price breaking and closing at least above this 15-minute minor range high. Once that happens, right, then we get a demand, whether it's a 15, 30, or 5-minute demand, but we start off with a 5-minute demand. If we do have a very strong 5-minute demand, we mark that with for price to come there, and then we look to take the buys, right? That is what we are going to be waiting for here. So I'll be talking about buys because that's my bias as of right now. And if market proves otherwise, then we will switch to sales. As of right now, I see buys. If price, for whatever reason, price grabs 5237.1, whether that's on the 5, 15, 30, 1 hour time frame, then we are going to switch. We're just gonna have to wait for another MSS. All right. So that is that for gold. So if you that trade gold like me, and Q on the other hand, this thing keeps falling. We do not have a liquidity grab here. I've not really looked at NQ. So NQ pretty much the same thing as well. We broke below the previous daily candle low. However, we have a previous 4-hour support that was created on Thursday, for the 17th of February. So for this previous candle failed to close below 1 hour. We failed to close below that 4-hour support, but we have a closure below the previous daily candle low on the 1 hour. On the 4-hour, we also have a closure below the previous 4-hour candle. Not that clean on the 4-hour. On the 1 hour, it's there, but not clean either. So NQ grab the 4 hour support, right? We're now really close, strongly below the previous daily candle low, but it's still closure. So NQ could actually continue down here. NQ could actually continue down here, but we just need to wait and see. But we do have a previous grab there on the 4 hours, on the 1 hour time frame, and of course here on the five, this previous low that we created, we could not break and close below it for us to continue. So we just need to see volume on NQ. Of course, we got to wait for um, NY to open, and then we'll see how that goes. So see what happens in gold. Wait, YouTube, is my chat not working or you guys are not talking? Hey Francisco, how you doing? Looks like setup is gonna have a huge SL. Let's see. I mean, gold was volatile last night when we took that sell during Asia. It was freaking 250 tick stop loss. But we got to one, which is nice. If we had left it running, we could have made freaking a bank. But I'll take 500 ticks. I think I still have it on this Lucid account here. Oh yeah, so that's the trade we took during Asia session. We had liquidity grab here on the 1 hour time frame. And then this was because price was pushing up. And then we had this MSS market structure shift here on the 5 minute. Right, price came down aggressively. 5 minute supply just waited for price to retest it. Actually, we actually took this trade at this candle right here. This candle that created this long top wick, this one here, that's where we took it at. So price went back up, we tested again, and then once I saw that price grab this minor high again, I'm like, okay, yeah, we should definitely continue down now. And we did. So 250 tick stop loss, which was huge. I was not expect. I was actually shocked. It was that volatile during Asia session, and this thing dropped. Whew, 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 whew. Oh my God! Almost, almost 3,000. Almost 3,000. That's insane. Hey, those of you that trade London, you should have made a bank down in London if you look for sales. Did you catch sales down in London, Edwin? I'm gonna ask Spy too once he gets here. He's not here yet. You try buying? Oh, you try to buy down in London? Oh, oh, okay. Let me even see. Oh, Pi, I was just talking about you. Did you catch anything down in London? Oh, hmm, nice. I was trying to. No, go ahead. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh yeah, I remember I was looking at it. I was like, man, I would have taken a sale if I traded London too, like right here, because it broke structure. The only thing that's gonna stop me is lack of liquidity. That's the only thing that's gonna stop me from taking this. Yeah, I was just saying there too, like man, wish I had the Asia session sales. I think yeah, I know why because there's some servers out there that you need to have a specific role to see it. And you get that role once you complete the orientation quiz, then you get that role. I've not posted it yet. I'm still working on the orientation quiz, and then I'm also still working on the framework because you need to just read and study the framework so that you can understand, then take the orientation quiz so you can pass it. Because if you don't pass it, I'm not giving you the. It's not even me. You're not gonna get the role. It's the bot. Yep, yep. If you wanna get a driver's license, um, you gotta, you gotta read, study for it, and then take a test to pass. Then once you pass your written test, then you gotta take the skills test. Oh yeah, I was saying that earlier too. Like, cause with New York, we pretty much grabbed the previous weekly candle low. And so I see possible buys. I mentioned that when I sent my post to oh, you guys couldn't see that either. New York session bias in Discord. Got this liquidity grab here, failed to break and close below the previous weekly candle low. Now, don't get me wrong, price can still break that low because this move to the upside happened before New York session, right? And why session traders could say, you know what, are we just going to continue down? Or we could come down and do this, right? This previous weekly candle will come down and grab it again, or we come down to this support and grab it again, or we could just continue from this low right here because we're failing to close below this minor low that we've created. Whichever way, we could grab any lows at this point. So once we do have that, then you have a liquidity grab during NY session, and then we just gotta wait for a BOS. And for this setup today, we're just gonna have to wait for this 15-minute minor range high to be taken out, the main setup, and we look to buy. Gotta wait for that MSS. Which high? Oh yeah, Yeah, me too. If we can hold that low and we create a minor high even before we get to this two highs right here, I will look to take buys. Especially like right now, right? This low we have at 5137.3. This is not a good closure here on the 5. If this low can even just break this low, this high right here, close above it strongly, this should not hold. We could go all the way up there and then react to that 5 minute supply, come down to a level of demand, fake sellers in, and then boom. So that could happen. Hey, what's good, Coons? YouTube, Bill, I was saying you guys still cannot see me. My camera battery is not good, so I'm just waiting for another one from Amazon. So you guys can see me. Apologies for that. Man, I wish all this technology, man, once you get it, I say you don't have to fix anything, don't gotta repair anything. I bought two batteries this time because man, oh man. So NY just open. NY just open. Let's take a look at NQ here. Oh, hey NQ, grab the previous daily candle low again. All right, we got the grab. Now we need a break of structure here on NQ, and we'll see if we are going to get it or if this thing is gonna grab this high and continue down. Edwin, wait, is Gideon still trading? Or did he stop? Oh, he does? Okay. Last month hasn't been good. He kept getting caught. The liquidity grabs into TP. Oh. Was January at least good? Oh damn, January wasn't good either. For you or for him. Good morning, Rico. Break even a small profit in January. Alright. Well, as long as it was not a loss. Alright. See what NQ is doing here. Oh, okay, that's not good. Damn, that's a horrible closure. So if we fail to break and close strongly above this 15-minute minor range high on NQ, once we break and close below this low right here, I am going to start looking for sales. But if we break and close strongly above 15-minute minor range high, I am going to look for buys. So right now is going to potentially be this 15-minute demand, but let's see if we are going to break and close above. Okay, and we'll have a 30-minute demand possibly if the 30 candle closes above this high. That's a strong demand, has to break a high. Okay, looks like gold might take a minute. So I'm going to leave this here on NQ and we'll just watch NQ for now. I know some of you are scared of taking it, trading NQ. No, you don't have to be. Why didn't we take the 5-minute supply? 5-minute supply. I'm guessing you're talking about gold. Well, so I'm guessing you're talking about this 5-minute supply here. Number one, um, it is in the middle of the range. That's number one. Number two, actually, that part is number two because we're in the middle of the range. Number one is that, right, we do not have any liquidity grab from the top, right? We do not have any liquidity grab from the top. However, we do have a liquidity grab from the bottom, and we did not just grab any low. We grabbed a major low, a previous weekly candle low. That's higher time frame, and it's very important. All right, we grab a higher time frame low, and also if you look every time in this range between 15-minute minor range high and this 1 hour major range low, in this range, every time we've tried to break a low, we struggled. We'll get there, pull back. Same thing here. We did not have a good closure. We tried to pull back, but now we came down here and broke. So for me personally, until we actually break and close below this 1 hour major range low, I'm not interested in selling, or we grab this high right here. So for me, gold right now is untradable. I still see buys though. I still see buys, but I do not have a setup yet. Still see buys until we break and close below 5081.9. Okay, NQ does not want to close below this low. I mean, above this high. So this might actually come down here. I am going to really delete the previous daily candle low. We already know what we're looking for. And this right here, we'll just call this. Take a look at this on 15. So just gonna watch this on NQ for now. You're welcome, Rico. Remember, once we get a strong closure below this 15-minute minor range low, I'm gonna start looking for sales. Gold is melting. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see if we're going to close below this 1 hour major range low. The LG that we had previously was pre-New York, so we'll see what New York is going to do. I'm good, Rodrigo. How you been? All right, that's good. That's good. Um, all right, I'm gonna go use the restroom, and I'll be right back. But let me take a look and see what's going on with gold here. I'm gonna leave it on gold for now, and see where we at once I get back. I'll be right back, guys. All right, gold is breaking. Gold is breaking lows here. It also grabbed a high in New York. Let's see. No, we don't have that high. Oh, just previous 5 minute high. There's one candle closure above it that is not a strong candle closure. Mhm. Man, okay. MQ is not fun right now. No, it's still okay. Our support. See how the 15-minute candle closes. Even the 5. You know, this 5 minute candle closes here. Then possible sales from here. Like we're just gonna continue down after that pre-New York grab on the 5. Mm. Man, this candle better not close like this. See this previous candle low. See how this candle closes and can possibly expect to see some sell continuation from this 5 minute supply here. You gotta wait for this 15-minute closure though. Gotta wait for that 15-minute closure, see how it's going to close. So 15-minute closes in 3 minutes, guys. Okay. Yep, 1 hour candle is closing as well. Looks like we will be closing below. All right. How did the 1 hour close? Okay, that's not a bad closure. All right, so if we can pull back to this 5, I have no issues with selling. So have it 30 minutes supply here. Let's start off with that. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have an horizontal red line here. See if we're just gonna tap that 5. So the 5 minute supply of this 15 is going to be our sell zone. Man, look at NQ. Like, how do you trade this, man? So ugly. NQ is a no-go area right now. It looks like it could keep falling. Just not interested anymore. You wait for the buys. Waiting for buys. Shit, you might not get that today, except if you just want to snipe it. And that's risky. I think gold had its chance to go up. They don't want to go. They don't want to let it go up right now. Go drop by a lot, so you have to just watch tomorrow. Sounds good. Okay. Man, I remember. I think this happened last year. Can't remember when. Was it last year or the year before? Man, I'll never forget. Man, gold just kept dropping and dropping. I'm dropping. Like, no pullbacks. I'm talking about freaking Asia, London, New York. Like, it just kept on dropping. Think damn good was at still at in the thousands. If we keep falling, we'll see how we react at this 4 hour support, 4 hour 4 hour demand area. The 3 day boot camp that I used to do, I'm bringing it back this month. So tomorrow there's going to be a wait list. If you're interested in that, you can get on the wait list during tomorrow's session. So let's see if God is going to give us a setup here. think we have no news today. We got employment change and PMI tomorrow. Okay. Actually, 30 minutes supply here. Oh, and also I forgot to mention there's an update coming. So the new Discord, this is how we're going to weed out the serious ones from the unserious ones. If you want to join the free Discord, you're gonna get free content as well. But if you want to join, you're going to have to go through an orientation quiz. If you can't even do that orientation quiz, then well, you're gonna have to look for somebody else, buddy, that's willing to just help anybody. Come on, Goldie. Come on, Goldie. Let me even give you guys a hint of what the orientation quiz is going to look like. This is pretty much it. It's not hard. It's very simple. I think it's like 6 sessions. Because you're gonna get hints and it's going to be in the Discord. All you gotta do is just read it and pay attention to it and then just take the quiz just to get yourself familiar with how we do things here. That's all. That's what this is all about. This orientation quiz is just for you to get yourself familiar with what we do here in regards to trading and how we pretty much trade over here. So if you can't even do that, then I don't know what to tell you. It just shows that you're not even ready to help yourself. You're just looking for what do we call it? Damn, I can't even think of the word. Yep, you're just looking for a handout. Yep, or signals pretty much. I'm dead. Oh, you knew that. Oh, damn, killed a bit. Not a new dad. Oh, and also, as you can see right here, you need a pass score of at least 80%. And you can retake the quiz as many times as you want. Hopefully you all will just take it one time and that's it. But you need at least 80% and you can take it as many times as you want. That's the win rate I'm actually shooting for moving forward from this month. My overall win rate for 2026, I am shooting for at least 80%. Right now, I'm at 60, pretty much 68 for the year. So we'll see. Man, NQ is just stuck. I mean, well, gold is stuck too. When I saw the way gold dropped, I'm like, man, I hope we get something done in New York today because even London, we just continue tanking. This thing dropped like 3,000, almost 3,000 plus ticks. That is a lot for gold. Two sessions we dropped, and the second session is not even done yet. And London closes in like 45 minutes, I believe. And look like we might just keep dropping here. This 15-minute candle closure will be important. Go just bending out the wall by by retail over. I mean, the way the 15 candle closed, well, the previous one, not this one that closed, Doji or whatever this is. I think it is enough for us to get a pullback, then a set continuation, but looks like we might not get it. But like you also said, looking at the 15, if it fails to close below 5025.2, then uh, we should retrace back up. Retail can't believe the drop, but there is the wall. Mm. Yeah, to be honest, my bias was bullish on gold. My bias was bullish on gold. I was not expecting that she's going to close below this low right here. Below 50, 81.9. I expected a bullish momentum and then a BOS break off this 15-minute minor range high, 52.37.1. That was what I expected to see. It just shows that it's good to have a bias, but don't get stuck on that bias, because the market does not care about you. It does not care at all. So you can have a bias, but don't get stuck on that bias. If you do, man, it's a recipe for disaster. Never get stuck to your bias. It's very dangerous, because if you get stuck to your bias, even if the market is doing the opposite of what your bias is, still going to keep looking for that position, whatever your bias is. If your bias is buys, then you're going to keep looking for buys, even though price keeps breaking lows. So if you have a bias and you see price doing the opposite, then just switch your bias. Switch your bias and then look for that setup. Okay, come on, NQ. I just need you to break 24, pretty much this 15-minute minor range low. I just need you to break that. That's all now. This is not good enough. I need one more. Let me see. This is not bad, actually. Not bad, actually. All right. 5 minutes supply. I would like to see one more candle closure. Like to see one more candle closure, especially if the 15 can close below. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Be right back. I'm going to leave this on NQ for now. Get possible sales from this 5 minute supply. I'll be right back. Alright, what's good doing? Okay. I'm more concerned about this previous monthly candle low. I think NQ should come down there at least. Mm-mm-mm. Very looking good for buys. Possibly a quick buy. I'm not interested in that. Right now, I'm interested in sales, so that's what I'm gonna wait for. It should go up. It should go up because looking at this on the 5, right? This minor high, right? Could not break this low right there. We grabbed it. So it should go up. It's just risky. Yeah, it should be good. That comes can just get what you need real quick and get out. Should get to this 5 minute supply. So NQ rejected this low here. I'm still gonna sell it though. Got a 15 minute supply here as well. But I prefer the 5 minutes, so we'll see. I'm gonna delete this and just visualize that low. How you gonna call it? Too volatile for you? Let's see. How volatile is this? Ooh. Ooh, okay. Yeah, and gold is super volatile. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is almost 700? Yeesh. What about NQ? Okay, NQ, not bad, not bad, not bad. Yeah. Edwin, maybe God wants you to go back to trading GJ so you can build some buffer and get back to trading gold. God wants you to trade GJ, Edwin. All right, Edwin. See you there in Asia if you're able to make it. All right, bye. Welcome. So in Q, I'm just waiting for price to pull back to this 5 minute supply. If we fed that 5, or we could also tap the 15, which we've not tapped just yet. Let me mark on here. All right, so we tapped that 15. Gotta wait for this current candle to close. $400. No, 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 no. Nah, I'm not selling right now. Nope, not yet. If we able to take a sell here, we are looking at least 400 ticks. I gotta wait for this candle to close. Uh, come on, man. Pull back, pull back. All right, so I got a cell set up, cell stop here on NQ, and see if we're gonna get activated and see how this goes. Oh, really, did he? You didn't think I was streaming today? This stop loss is going to be very, very tight. Let's do instead before creating item. All right, guys, we have been activated here. So, pretty much 400 ticks. And, uh, oh, come on, NQ. Oh yeah, did the not yet. Plus, once I'm done with the building and structuring of the new Discord, the streams is going to be in Discord. So that's why I didn't bother creating that. Uh, Gold is still trying to pull back. Chatrooms, if you're still here, the buys is working out. Oh, got the NQ. Okay. Okay, NQ is tripping. Come on, NQ. You cannot grab liquidity at the highs saying you want to do it again at the lows. You should continue down after breaking minor high. I mean, minor low. Come on, man. Oh. All right, NQ. So this minor high that we've created here on NQ, if that does not continue to push price down, then NQ could go higher from this low, which is going to be unfortunate because we grabbed the highs and they broke minor structure. So we should continue down, but it's not looking like it right now. So we'll see what happens. It's pretty much been tripping since NY opened. Like all this let's go to trading view. All this freaking craziness right here. It's been tripping since NY opened. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. You will owe the rest of us the trend line. I have a feeling they want to create a top break on 30-minute and maybe more sales from around there. The sellers are trying, but them buyers, man, these buyers. I don't like the setup anymore, but we'll see what happens. I'm already in it, and it's not over until it's over. You might just want to tap that 5 minutes supply. It's going to be unfortunate because that 15-minute supply is also good. You broke that minor low. This minor low right here. You broke it on the 15 as well. Uh, woo. Ah, all right. All right. All right, guys. That's first loss in March. Well, all right, guys. Nothing we can do about this one. Everything aligned, it just didn't work out. We had liquidity grab at the major high, and then we had a minor low break of structure here, which is pretty much MSS market structure shift, and we didn't continue to fall. So it just didn't work out today. Setup was good, everything lined up, just didn't work out. All right, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Zoom. We'll see you guys later tonight for Asia session. God bless everyone. I appreciate you all. And don't forget, guys, tomorrow there'll be a wait list for the 3-day bootcamp that I will be dropping. And I'll see you guys then. God bless. Peace. I'm out. All right, Zoom. See you guys later.